Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
Honorable Chief Boma Iyaye, immediate past commissioner for local government affairs in Rivers State, is the newly appointed executive director in charge of finance and administration in the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC. Up next is a profile of a man who is saddled with the responsibility of managing the finances of the NDDC under the administration of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu.
Honorable Chief Boma Iyaye, the new Executive Director, Finance and Administration of the NDDC, is by virtue of his position a board member and top management staff of the Commission. His exalted office demands that he will be privy to all financial transactions of the interventionist agency. Additionally, he has the onerous responsibility to oversee the daily operations of the NDDC to ensure that its service delivery to largely backward communities in the Niger Delta is consistent with President Bola Tinubu's agenda of renewed hope in the Niger Delta. From all indications, Honorable Iyaye has the requisite experience and competence to deliver on the job. In 1991, he obtained a Bachelor of Science, BSc degree in Business Education, Accounting option from the then River State University of Science and Technology, Nkpolu, Oroworokwo, in Port Harcourt, as well as a Master's in Business Administration, MBA in Banking and Finance from the same institution in 1998. In 2019, Honorable Boma Iyaye was called to the bar, having bagged his LLB degree in law from the University of Abuja. Between 1992 and 2003, Honorable Iyaye worked as an accountant holding several positions in well-known multinational companies in Port Harcourt. As a result of his burning desire for service, he went into politics. In 2003, he was elected to represent Ogubolo State constituency in the River State House of Assembly and served a single tenure of 4 years. The Ogubon politician also served as Honorable Commissioner for Sports between 2008 and 2011. In appreciation of Honorable Iyaye's sterling qualities, former Governor Nyesom Wike reappointed him as Commissioner of Sports. While he held sway in the River State Ministry of Sports, the state made significant progress with sports administration and came tops in several national sporting events, notably football. In 2016, Rivers United finished second in the Nigerian Premier League and qualified for the CAF Champions League for the first time in 2017. On June 25, 2022, Rivers United won their first Nigerian Professional Football League title. In the same vein, Rivers Angels Football Club won the ITO Women's Federation Cup in 2018. Honorable Iyaye has the record of being the longest-serving sports commissioner in Rivers State. As many would agree, his stay in office was not just long but eventful. As sports commissioner, he effectively combined passion and motivation to sport Team Rivers to victory in several sporting events. Always wearing a broad smile, he enjoys immense goodwill and support from friends and colleagues and was able to strike a cordial relationship with the Sports Writers Association of Nigeria in Rivers State. Honorable Chief Boma Iyaye, Esquire, DSSRS, was on the 9th of July 2022 appointed Commissioner for Local Government Affairs in Rivers State, serving from then till 5th of May 2023, when the Executive Council was dissolved to pave way for the new administration of Governor Siminalayi Fubara. As Commissioner for Local Government Affairs, Honorable Iyaye came in close contact with several local communities for whom he formulated sound growth and development policies. His redeployment to the Ministry of Local Government Affairs had given him the opportunity to have first-hand knowledge of the development needs of largely backward communities and how to deal with them. Undoubtedly, Honorable Iyaye, who hails from Ogubolo local government area of Rivers State, has a good knowledge of the region. He is a thoroughbred professional, politician and sports enthusiast. The new Executive Director of Finance and Administration in the NDDC knows too well the importance of teamwork in achieving desired results. It is gratifying to note, therefore, that he brings such a remarkable experience and competence to the NDDC, where he will be involved in decision-making both on the board of the Commission and its highest management cadre.
Inside the Niger Delta.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.